Aloha. This is about the Night Rider light bar. As you can see, it's from a company called ijdmtoy.com. This particular light is 20 inches long, has 48 LEDs with 7 colors, and it costs $34.99 before shipping. Okay, currently it has 3 remotes. This is the on and off for all the LED lights. This is the on and off for the license plate. And this remote is to change the colors and patterns of the lights. So first thing, let's turn them on. Okay, there's your standard light bar for the Night Rider. Now I can change the speed, colors, display type, as you can see, there's basically 130 different choices of all the lights you can choose. And you can speed them up or slow them down. Okay, that's enough.